Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 1 to 4 assessment. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all capstone, cap assessment, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. We will go to MATLAB Pearson. So we will go to chapter 1 to 4 assessment. Okay, we will go to chapter 1 to 4 assessment. Click on this assessment. So we will click on download material button. You can see and click on download all file button. Okay, all file will be downloaded on our PC download folder. First we will open up instruction file. Okay, the title of assignment is that XP25 Assess Chapter 4 Cumulative Foodies Form and Reports. I have highlighted this title for a proper view in my video and increase the font size of this title. So moving on question number 1. First we will select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So we will move on question number 1. In question number 1, start assess, open the downloaded assess file, name XP25 assess chapter 4 cumulative foodies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Save the file to the location where you are storing your files. Basically in this question we will have to download assess file from MATLAB Pearson dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from MATLAB Pearson dashboard. I am going to opening my assess file right now. Click on this cross. So we will move on. Next question is question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is that you will create a form to manage the data in the supplier table. Use the form tool to create the form and then modify the form as required. You will also remove the layout control from the form so that the control can be repositioned freely. Select the supplier table as the record source for a form. Use the form tool to create a new form with a default layout. The first point of this question is that select the supplier table as the record source. We will double click on supplier table or we will select this. Simply click on as the record source for a form. Use the form tool to create a new form with a default layout. We will go to create tab, the form group, click on new, click on form button. You can see new form will be created with default layout. So we will move on question number 3. In question number 3, change the form's title to enter added suppliers. Change the width of the text box control to approximately 3.4 inches. The first point of this question is that change the form title to enter added suppliers. We will go to our assess file and we will click on form title, click on supplier. We will remove this and we will enter added suppliers. Press enter. So second point of this question is that change the width of the text box control to approximately 3.4 inches. Okay, change the width of the text box to approximately 3.4 inches. Okay, we will select this complete. Press Ctrl and select this all text box. Okay, we will go to the width box. In the property sheet, we will go to the width and we will enter 3.4 inches width of this form. Properties box. Okay. Text box. Okay, I have changed the width of text box to 3.4 inches. So we will move on question number 4. Delete the products of form, control from the form, view the form and the data in form view, sort the record by company name is ascending order. Okay. Delete the products of form, control from the form. This is the first point of question number 4. We will delete the products of form, control from the form. Okay, we'll select this and click on delete button. All sub form will be deleted from the control form. So next point is that view the form and the data in the form view. View the form, go to the form layout design, click on view tab and click on form view button. So the next is that okay, sort the record by company name is ascending order. Sort the record the company name. We will click on this company name record and go to the home tab, the sort and filter group, click on ascending order button. So this question is done. Now we will move on question number 5 of this assignment. In question number 5, in layout view, set the background color of the company name text box to blue accent 1, lighter 80% and set the font size to 14. Save the form as added suppliers. Close the form. Okay. In the layout view, we will go to the home tab. In the views group, click on view button, click on layout view. So set the background color of the company name text box to blue accent 1, lighter 80%. We will select the company name text box. Okay, here is the company name text box. And we will set the color blue accent 1, lighter 80% in the format tab. One second. In the format tab, in the font group, click on colors button. Okay, background color blue accent 1, lighter 80%. Okay, we will apply this color on the company name text box and set the font size to 14. We will set the font size to 14. We will select this company name text box, go to the font group. In the format tab, click on font size and we will apply 14 font size for this text box, company name text box. Okay. So the next point is that save the form as added suppliers. We will copy this name. So we will right click on supplier form, click on save button. We will save this form as added suppliers. Click on OK button. Okay. We will save this form as added supplier. Click on save and OK. So close the form. We will simply close the form. Right click on added supplier form. Click on close button. This form will be closed right now. So we will move on. Next question is question number 6. Open the added supplier form in design view. Select all control in the details section of the form and then remove the layout. View the form in layout view if necessary. Arrange the field on the form on one below the other in the following order: supplier ID, company name, contact title, address, city, region, postal code, country, phone and fax. Ensure that the left edge of the labels and the text boxes align. Delete the one second. Show the left edge of the label and the text box line. Delete the content title label from the form and move the text box up and to the right of contact names so that their top edge are aligned. This question has 6 points, so we will open the added supplier form in design view. This is the first point of question number 6. We will go to access file. We will open the supplier form in design view. Double click on supplier form. Supplier form will be added. Supplier form will be open. So go to the home tab in the view group. Click on view button and we will open in design view. So edit supplier form is open in design view, and then select all controls in the details section of the form. Okay, select all control in the details section of the form. Okay, we select this and press control, and then remove the layout. So remove the layout, right click on this, click on layout and click on remove layout button. Okay, so layout will be removed, and then view the form in layout view. So we will view the form in layout view. We will go to again view group, click on view button, click on layout view button. Okay, if necessary, arrange the field on the form one below the other in following order: supplier ID, company name, contact title. Okay, you can see this is good. City, postal code, country, phone and fax. Postal code, country, phone and fax. All is good. Okay. Ensure that the left edge of the label and the text box is aligned. Okay. Ensure that the left edge of the labels and text box is aligned. Go to the form layout design group tab in the view group, and we will click on the design view. Go to the arrange tab in the size, and we will click on align button. We will click on left. Okay, so we will open in layout view. Okay, all is good. We will select this and remove this. Move. Okay, please focus on my laptop screen. You can down your assignment by watching this video. I am doing this capstone 1 to 4 for my all student. You can follow my video and you can down your assignment by watching this video. Okay, top 1.3125. Okay, so okay, this is good. I have done 6 questions of this assignment so far. Now moving on, question number 7. In question number 7, you can see total question of this assignment is 16. I just show you 6 questions in my video, but I have done this complete assignment for my student. Now I am going to submit this assignment on my Pearson portal, and I will show my grade which I have got this in this assignment. Okay, if you want to do this complete assignment from me, and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A plus grade. I just show you 6 questions in my video, but I have done this complete assignment for my student. I am doing his course. He handled me, and I am doing each and everything. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can easily click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments project, our simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Engagement Tab, MC, Crow Hill, Simnet, Blackboards, and my campus, and many more online colleges and universities. So I am going to submit my assignment on MATLAB Pearson portal. Okay, first we will save this file. Give me a second. Okay, first we will save this file in my desktop. Okay, click on save as, where you located. Okay, click on save button. So click on OK. So I am going to my delay Pearson, click on upload file and submit for grading. So we'll go to desktop and I will select this my file. Download it for download first. Click on open button. Click on upload. Okay, it's uploading. Please subscribe my and like subscribe my channel and likes my video. I am uploading complete course on my YouTube channel and I can do all online courses. Please contact me if you want to do this course from me, and if you do not able to do this course, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. Okay, this submitting and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. Really sorry, I have some little network problem, that's why it's taking a time. Okay, click on continue button and go to. Okay, you can see I have got 90